this exercise, we're going to start again with that elevator push of our abdominals. Ribs come down, head stays relaxed, the back of our body stays completely relaxed. We're going to bring the knees up one at a time. Really good. Again, keeping them apart. We don't want them moving towards each other. So those hips align really nicely in the sockets. And from here, this is a little challenging. Keeping the ribs down. Very good. Arms are going to come up and point to the ceiling. Palms face each other. And we're going to lift the entire pelvis off of the mat so the knees start to point to the ground. We're going to hold. Very good. That's plenty high. Ribs stay down. Abdominal pressure is maintained. You're going to hold for a few seconds, and then you're just going to release it back to where your knees started. A little bit more. Good. Make sure the rib stays down, the pressure stays there. We want to make sure as well the neck is not arching, moving, anything like that. Go ahead. Very good. And come on down. Good, and then release one leg at a time.